Hey guys, in this video we're gonna cover how you can sign up with Amazon, and if you're gonna be eligible to sign up with Amazon as a carrier. So the requirements are pretty straightforward. Let's go over them briefly. They want $1 million in auto liability, $100,000 in cargo, 1 million, 2 million in general liability. If you have a semi truck, you also need to have $50,000 in trailer interchange. It's pretty basic. Pretty much anybody and everybody can get that. However, they have a very important requirement that pretty much if you're a new venture, you're not going to be able to meet it. They want you to have your authority, your MC active for at least 180 days or more. Not your DOT, not your name, your MC has to be active for 180 consecutive days before they even consider you getting an account with them. And again, that's not a guarantee. Even if you meet all these requirements, I've seen people getting declined, but for the most part, if your safety and everything else, it's fine. They'll approve you most likely. But those are the basic requirements. Now, what can you do if you're a new venture, right? If you've been in business 6 months, and you've hit what I just told you, you're pretty much fine. But if you start the business right now, your new venture, you're jumping in, um, what can you do to sign up with them? Basically nothing. I mean, there is nothing legal you can do. You probably hear all those stories out there, and that's something I want to spend a couple of minutes talking about. That people like sign up under somebody else's Amazon account or their friend's Amazon account, and I can 100% tell you that's uh, it's the wrong thing to do. It's very dangerous, and if something goes wrong, and things go wrong in this industry all the time, both you and your friend is likely going to go out of business, and you're going to be on the hook for quite a bit of money. So I wouldn't take that chance personally. If you want to do that yourself, go for it. And I'll tell you what's the problem with doing something like this. For one, if let's say you work under his account, right, and you go on the Amazon load board, and you pick up a load, and you go to the shipper or to the receiver, and just a simple thing, somebody pays more attention. Usually they don't, but they pay more attention. Be like, all right, why is this carrier picking up this load or shipping us this load? The decals and the company that is coming here to pick it up or receive it has nothing to do with the one that is on the account. So that's the scenario where you probably, your friend's account most likely is gonna get shut down. That's actually the best case scenario if something like this happens. Now the worst case scenario is you pick up that load under your friend's or whoever Amazon account, and God forbid you get a claim on it. And claims happen, right? Claims do happen in this business all the time. I see them every day. Not every day, but every week with all the carriers we work with. So sometimes actually every day. So who's gonna cover that claim? Who is it going to be filed against? Is it going to be you? Is it going to be your friend? Well, they'll seek reimbursement from whoever they can get it for the damages. Now, the problem here comes that your friend's insurance will be like, why would we pay for a claim that had nothing to do with us? This truck wasn't listed on your insurance. This driver isn't listed on your insurance, and you want us to cover that claim for you. Now, your insurance will be like, you hold a load that had nothing to do with you. It was somebody else's load. Why did you haul it? And why should we cover your claim? So now, here are the consequences. You cover the claim on your own, out of your pocket, and if it's a big claim, then you're gonna have a big problem. And both insurance policies get canceled, yours and your friends. The Amazon account get canceled, and you pretty much get out of business. You get the freight guard, and that's basically it's gonna be it. The end of both businesses. I mean, I'm not saying it's guaranteed that's gonna happen. Can it happen? 100% it can happen. I've seen it happening. So it's a very, very, very high risk strategy, and it's just the problem waiting to happen. It's just a matter of time, something to go south. So I'll strongly discourage you from doing something like that. Now, what can you do in this situation? Again, you cannot sign up under your name with Amazon, but what you can do, if you want to be 100% legit, and this is 100% the right way to do it, if you still want to haul for Amazon and you want to work with that person, you can still set up your authority. You can still, you pay a little bit for insurance just with the minimum requirements by the FMCSA, just so I can build some history. Now you go and work under him with his equipment that is on his insurance policy, and you get listed as a driver on his insurance policy. This is how it's 100% legit. Now you can make whatever agreements or arrangements between each other as far as who is paying what, maintenance of the truck, money and all that, but this is the right way to do it. Go and actually work under him 100%. Like the truck, the driver has to be listed on his policy, and in the meantime you can season your authority, and when you are ready to branch out and basically haul 100% on your own, then go for it. You buy yourself a truck, you put it under your authority, you put yourself as a driver, and then you sign up with your own Amazon account, and this is how you don't take a risk, he doesn't take a risk, and you don't go through all those nonsense. Not to mention, if a DOT pulls you over and starts inspecting your paperwork and they see that you're holding something that is not yours, believe me, that's not gonna be fun. So again, do the right thing. If you have questions how to really handle it as a new venture, reach out to me. If something confuses in this video, I'll happy to help you and walk you through, and let's all win, guys. Talk to you in the next video.